up, 6 a.m. It's still dark, looks like rain. Throw on clothes, dead sprint, I can't miss that train. Coffee's cold, phone's dead, alarm never screamed. Boss already texted, where you at, living the dream. Hit snooze twice, now I'm late. Whole damn day about to break. It's one of those days, can I go back? Let's start again, fresh and clean. Maybe the telephone booth, maybe a DeLorean time machine. Let's go back to when the day was new. Let's go back when I had a clue. Let's go back when I still had you. Traffic's a nightmare, horns like a punk show. Spilled lunch on my shirt, now everybody knows. Text when you were red, last night we screamed and fought. Words I can't take back, yeah, that's what I forgot. Hot in my throat, can't shake this feeling. One wrong move and there goes the ceiling. It's one of those days, can I go back? Let's start again, fresh and clean. Maybe a telephone booth, maybe a DeLorean time machine. Let's go back to when the day was new. Let's go back when I had a clue. Let's go back when I still had you. Maybe I stay right here screaming out loud. Flip off the rate, crank the stereo sound. No flux capacitor saving this nice. No bill on the other guy, I guess. There's no going back. Let's wreck today It's one of those days, but I'm not going back. I'll start right here, messy and mean. No telephone booth, no DeLorean time machine. I'm moving forward even without a clue. I'm moving forward even without you. Let's go to a brand new day again.
Remember to like and subscribe.